Okay, Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Shelva Shireen, and from now onwards, as you all know, you are well aware with this fact that I'll be teaching you introduction to philosophy. And before starting this, let's discuss what you have done previously. You were telling me that you people have done introduction what basically philosophy is, and today we'll be starting our new concept, how to do philosophy. Now, who will tell me what is literal meaning of word philosophy?
Love for wisdom.
Love for
Wisdom.
Love of wisdom.
love. Okay.
Love of
And
wisdom.
why you people are studying philosophy, why it's necessary for you all to study philosophy?
ताकि सब्जेक्ट पूरे हो जाए हमारे.
Be serious. हैव यू एवर थॉट व्हाई हमें किसी ने क्यों स्कूल में कभी फिलॉसफी नहीं पढ़ाई, व्हाई इन कॉलेज और व्हाई इन यूनिवर्सिटी?
Ma'am, because it involves
No idea,
critical
ma'am.
thinking.
Yes, Alina, very good, because it involves critical thinking. Now, who will tell me what is critical thinking? Do you think that every human being he can think critically?
नो मैम.
Why?
मैम कुछ लोग नॉन सीरियस होते हैं, कुछ सीरियस होते हैं. जो सीरियस होते हैं मेरा ख्याल है वो क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग कर सकते हैं. जो नॉन सीरियस होते हैं वो मुश्किल है उनके लिए.
To some
मैम हर
extent,
कोई
your answer is
जजमेंट
sorry.
मैम हर इंसान जजमेंट नहीं मतलब सही दे सकता और फिलॉसफी में ज़्यादातर जजमेंट्स ही होती हैं रियलिटी के बारे में या अनसीन के बारे में सीन के बारे में.
Okay. Beta, first of all, you told me that philosophy is love for wisdom. That's totally fine. Secondly, philosophy, basic thing in philosophy is critical thinking. Now, every single human being is not a critical thinker. हर बंदे के पास ये ability नहीं है कि वो critical thinker हो, because critical thinking involves clearly एंड लॉजिकल थिंकिंग. जो कुछ आपके बिलीव्स हैं उनके बारे में, वट एवर एक्शंस यू आर डूइंग उनके बारे में, इन दिस यूनिवर्स जो भी चीज है, वेदर इट्स यू नो living or non-living, whether they are protons, neutrons in the air, हर चीज के पीछे there is a logic. And when you have that ability to think about certain things and think about the logic behind those things, clearly thinking about different perspectives of life, sorry, then you can say that yes, I'm a critical thinker. And when you have open mind or broad minded thinking, you cannot, a narrow minded thinker, a narrow mind person cannot be a critical thinker, or because he'll be having that issue कि वो अपने ही biases में फंसा रहेगा कि जो मैं कहता हूँ वो ठीक है. तो in that way he won't वो कोई एफर्ट नहीं पुट करेगा फॉर फाइंडिंग बेसिकली व्हाट ट्रूथ इज. सो बेसिक पर्पस ऑफ फिलोसफी इज क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग एंड फाइंडिंग द ट्रूथ. ठीक है. So today we'll be studying about how to do philosophy. So in today's lecture, the contents are having a philosophy versus doing philosophy. Then why study philosophy? Today we'll learn why it's important for us to study philosophy. Then critical thinking skills. What are the skills that are involved in critical thinking? Then writing skills. How our writing skills would be enhanced by using philosophy. Then our speaking skills and what exactly a truth is. So this, you people have already told me that what literal meaning is love of wisdom, and philosophy is the knowledge about universe, all the things that are in this universe, that is basically when we think about them critically, logically, rationally, so that is known as philosophy, right? Now, anything you want to ask so far? Things are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes ma'am.
Now, basic definition of philosophy is logical attempt to recognize, Recognize means जानना, understand, समझना, and answer fundamental question. Basic purpose बेटा philosophy का ये है, I'm telling you in Urdu so that you can have better understanding. कि basic purpose ये है कि हमें philosophy पढ़ाने का basic purpose ये है कि we should understand logic behind things. उस लॉजिक को अंडरस्टैंड करें, उसको अंडरस्टैंड करने के बाद वी शुड नो हाउ टू आंसर फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चंस. नाउ व्हाट आर फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चंस? फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चंस आर basically important questions. For instance, that day I was telling my students that there is a picture in my room, and in that picture there is a dog, and dog is sitting and he is wearing glasses. When we talk about logic, so when we talk about logic, it goes without saying we're talking about critical thinking. जब हम क्रिटिकली किसी चीज के बारे में सोचते हैं, सो इफ आई सॉ दैट पिक्चर एंड आई विल बी थिंकिंग व्हाई दिस डॉग इज वेयरिंग ग्लासेस. मे बी द पेंटर who has made this painting, he's showing that this dog is intelligent. Maybe he's having some eyesight issue. Why a dog is wearing glasses? There is some logic behind that. आपने पढ़ा होगा abstract पेंटिंग के बारे में. कुछ पेंटिंग्स ऐसी होती हैं कि उसमें बेसिकली दे आर शोइंग समथिंग एल्स, बट उनका इन डेप्थ मीनिंग इज समथिंग एल्स. कभी देखी है एब्स्ट्रैक्ट पेंटिंग्स?
नो मैम. जी मैम देख.
Abstract paintings are basically full of colors. उसमें basically they are saying philosophy is all about abstract truth. Abstract truth वो चीजें होती है which we cannot see from our naked eye. For instance, intelligence. Intelligence आपको आंखों से नजर नहीं आती. You can't measure intelligence. Emotions आप आंखों से नहीं देख सकते, right? So abstract truth is सच जो आपको सामने नजर ना आए, लेकिन किसी चीज के पीछे एक सच होता है, एक लॉजिक होता है. तो फिलोसफी इज ऑल अबाउट फाइंडिंग दैट ट्रूथ behind things. I'm going to show you a picture. In this picture you have to tell me, you have to critically think about this picture, and then you have to tell me, this is an example of abstract painting, and you have to tell me what you think about this painting. क्या आपको समझ आई इस पेंटिंग से? What different colors are basically expressing, and why we can see only half face of this lady, why not full face? Who will be answering me?
लड़की दुख में लग रही है.
Sorry,
मैम ये लड़की सैड लग रही है, लेकिन इतना सैड लग रही है मुझे.
beta you're not audible. Please थोड़ा सा clearly बोलो so that I can understand.
मैम मुझे तो लग रहा है मेडिटेट कर रही है.
अच्छा, मेडिटेट कर रही है. अच्छा, जस्ट टेल मी, कैन यू सी वाइट स्पॉट्स उसके फेस पे? जगह जगह वाइट जो एम्प्टी स्पेसेस है उन्होंने छोड़ी हुई है. देयर इज नो कलर देयर.
यस मैम.
सो आई गेस, मुझे लगता है कि वो उन्होंने वाइट एम्प्टी स्पेसेस इसलिए छोड़ी हैं सो दैट द पेंटर कैन शो दैट एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग इज हैविंग इम्परफेक्शंस. कोई भी परफेक्ट नहीं है. Don't you think that maybe your idea would be a bit different?
Yes ma'am.
Other than Alina, nobody is listening.
Yes ma'am.
सुन रहे हैं मैम आपकी बात.
So answer me, why the painter उससे आधा ही face क्यों बनाया? Why not full face? Why her eyelid is red? Maybe red color is showing aggression. गुस्सा दिखाना चाह रहा वो. So abstract now basically. Sorry?
मैम दुखी लग रही है.
Okay, you think that she's sad, that's why he has made, basically painter ने ये दिखाने की कोशिश की है कि that girl is sad, और उसका half face basically दिखा रहा है some sort of emptiness, कि कुछ खालीपन है. So this is why I'm showing you this painting, because I want you to understand that sometimes you cannot, whatever you are seeing, जो भी आप अपनी आंखों से देखते हो, जो भी आप देखते हो, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि वो सच हो. उसके पीछे देयर वुड बी समथिंग एल्स. सो फिलोसफी इज बेसिकली अंडरस्टैंडिंग, फाइंडिंग आउट, फर्स्टली टू अंडरस्टैंड द लॉजिक बिहाइंड थिंग्स, एंड देन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट ट्रूथ. वो सच जो आपको आंखों से नजर नहीं आता, बट वंस यूल स्टडी, वंस यूल डू रिसर्च ऑन the particular things, then you can understand abstract truth जो आप आंखों से नहीं देख सकते. Now things are clear जितना भी मैंने पढ़ाया है. अभी तक क्लियर है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall
Yes,
we
ma'am.
move?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, next is, as I told you, if you'll see the first point, they have written that the study of philosophy involves critical thinking. Without critical thinking, you cannot become a philosopher. It would be very difficult for you to, philosophically think about different things. Critical thinking critical thinking, the engagement of thinker in rational deliberation, investigation. Rational deliberation means logical, थॉटफुल इन्वेस्टिगेशन. ऐसी चीजों पे इन्वेस्टिगेशन आपने करनी है जो जिनके पीछे कोई लॉजिक हो. यू कांट से कि आप लेम चीजों के बारे में या फिक्शनल चीजों के बारे में, इफ यू आर यू आर thinking about lame things or fictional cheezein, so that is not, gee, that's a philosophy. No, it's not a philosophy. So there should be a proper serious logic behind things. ठीक है? Assessment of arguments. फिर आपने, for instance, I'm gonna give you a simple example. For instance, आप में से या मुझे किसी ने, मैंने देखा कि while wearing, whenever I wear black suit, I look fair in that, or I look more, presentable in black color, right? So what I did, I start wearing black more and more, and whenever I go out for shopping, मैंने ज़्यादा black color खरीदना शुरू कर दिया, and I started ignoring other colors, right? Then I assessment of arguments. फिर मैं, when I went to university or different places and I met people, and different people, they gave me this feedback that yes, black color really suits you. अब वो मुझे कह रहे हैं black color really suits you. पहले मैंने खुद investigate किया, okay, that black color, I look good in black color. फिर लोगों से assessment of the arguments. फिर मैंने लोगों के arguments सुने. बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे कहा, okay, you are looking good in black color. I started assessing their arguments के, okay, mostly people, they're telling me, okay, you look good in black color. So I started buying more and more black color clothes. ठीक है? And assessment of justification. Then जब assess कर लिया, so justification से क्या हुई, I starting buying more and more black colors, और मुझे sure हो गया बहुत सारे लोगों के क्या नाम है, assessment से, argument से, और मेरी अपनी assessment से, personal experience से, कि black color suits me. So basically they are saying that philosophy, it involves critical thinking, और इसके इस्पेक्ट किसी भी चीज के बारे में आप critical thinking कर सकते हो. It's not necessary that you can think about non-living things. Philosophy is basically daily. If you read the last line, they are saying that is necessary in all aspects of our daily life as citizens, professionals, and persons. Philosophy basically helps us to gradually move upwards, कि हम आहिस्ता आहिस्ता अपने अंदर betterment लेके आए, critical thinking skills को polish कर सके, चीज़ों को assess कर सके, we can find truth behind the things, we can find logic behind the things. That is philosophy. And your all subjects, they are basic thing in them is philosophy. हर subject के पीछे अगर आप देखें, you are business student, so philosophy behind teaching you business is so that it's all about your future, कि जब आप अपनी future life में जाएं, जब आप अपनी professional life में जाएं, so day by day you will be growing in a better way, right? So anything you want to ask so far? Critical thinking is clear?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
clear, kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you want to ask something, you can. Okay. Next is, I'm going to show you another picture. Now you have to think about this picture critically, and you have to tell me whether this person is sitting in a formal scenario, in an informal scenario, why tables and chairs are empty at the back, why he's holding pen. You have to assume why he's having a few papers in front of him, why he's wearing dress shirt, why not a casual t-shirt, something else. Just answer me. I have given you the questions, you have to answer me.
Ma'am, lockdown से बाहर निकला.
Beta, can you be little more serious? It would be better for all of us.
Ma'am, I think he is informal.
He's in formal setting. How you came to know that he's in sitting in a formal setting?
Ma'am, he is doing something like survey वगैरह कर रहा है या कुछ कर रहा है.
If you get up early and go to work early, then you would be successful. Whenever other There are as
Okay, one is saying that he's sitting in a formal setting because he's wearing dress shirt and he's writing something. Maybe he's doing some work. Okay, Muhammad Ehsan, I guess I can't see your full name, beta. What you were saying?
Muhammad Hassan.
Is there anyone else? Please answer me.
मिस मुझे तो ये एक स्टूडेंट लग रहा है जो अपने मतलब के किसी कैफेटेरिया या फिर किसी सोशल
Okay, he is a student. He's sitting in the cafeteria and he's doing some project. ठीक है, nice.
असाइनमेंट
Okay, he's doing his assignment. ठीक है, very good. Maybe he's sitting in a restaurant. But why we are not saying that he's sitting in a restaurant? Why he'll be wearing a dress shirt when he's sitting in a restaurant? Okay, for instance, we'll accept this thing that yes, he can wear a dress shirt while sitting in a restaurant. But why he is holding pen and paper? So we came to know maybe he's sitting in a cafeteria and he's doing some sort of his assignment. So this. Now you are telling me basically we all are critical thinkers. I am glad my students are quite intelligent. क्या आप लोग मुझे बता रहे हैं that he is sitting in a formal, he's wearing formal shirt and he's having pen and pages in his hands. So that means he's doing some sort of work. So that's your critique. When you are logically thinking, now here you are logically thinking, rationally thinking about the picture, and then you are different. You are making different or giving me different arguments that maybe this is the reason, maybe this is the reason, or maybe ma'am this is the reason. And then what we conclude in the end, we conclude that yes, he's sitting because all the arguments they are in favor of this thing, that because he's sitting in formal dressing and he's holding pen and paper, that means he's sitting in the cafeteria, university cafeteria. So in this way you'll be critically thinking about the things. Next is how to do philosophy. Who'll read the slide? Nobody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If philosophy
Can somebody
is
read
the-
the slide?
If philosophy is the rational.
मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ.
पढ़ लो आप. Okay. Hello.
जी.
If philosophy is the rational attempt to formulate, understand, and answer fundamental questions, then what is rational? What is fundamental?
Okay, now here they are saying that basically हमने क्या philosophy की definition we were discussing in the beginning, that was philosophy is the logical attempt to make, to recognize, to understand, and then answer fundamental questions. But first we need to understand what is logical. जिस चीज के बारे में you are thinking, critically thinking whether there is a logic behind it or not. पहले हमें ये चीज पता होनी चाहिए what is logical and then what is fundamental. और फिर logical thing हमें पता है कि ये है, उसमें important क्या चीज है. You need to understand these two things कि fundamental चीज क्या है और logical thing क्या है in that particular scenario. Okay, now having a philosophy versus doing a philosophy. Every single human being is having its own his or her own philosophy. हर किसी की अपनी जिंदगी की एक अलग philosophy होती है. So now we'll see how having a philosophy is different from doing a philosophy. They said everyone has philosophy, a collection of beliefs that guide action. Belief, हर किसी का जिंदगी में कोई ना कोई यकीन होता है, and as per that belief they used to do their actions. On the other hand, doing philosophy is to actively think critically about beliefs. For instance, एक छोटी सी example I'll be giving you here. My belief is that if early in the morning I won't offer my prayers, when I leave from home my whole day मेरा दिन बहुत बुरा गुजरेगा. That's my belief. ये मेरी मतलब दैट्स माई बिलीव. और एक्शन क्या होता है मेरा बिलीफ, ये है कि आई हैव टू अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग आई हैव टू ऑफर प्रेयर्स. कभी ऐसा होता है कि इफ आई एम गेटिंग लेट फॉर द वर्क आई फॉरगेट टू ऑफर माई प्रेयर्स और मैं जल्दी जल्दी से तैयार होकर आई वेंट टू माई वर्क. सो माई एक्शन इज एक्शन बेसिकली ये है, इट्स रिलेटेड टू माई बिलीफ. बिलीफ क्या है कि जी अगर मैं दुआ नहीं करूंगी सुबह उठ के, देन आई विल बी, माई डे वुड बी, आई वोंट बी स्पेंडिंग अ गुड डे, मेरा दिन बहुत बुरा गुजरेगा. सो एक्शन उसके लिए मैं क्या करूंगी, सुबह उठते ही आई विल ऑफर माई प्रेयर्स. बट फिलॉसफी कहती है कि जो कुछ आप करते हो उसको क्रिटिकली सोचना है कि आपके बिलीव्स ठीक भी हैं या नहीं है. सो अब आई हैव टू थिंक. फिलॉसफी की बात करें तो मुझे ये सोचना पड़ेगा कि क्या इज इट जस्ट अ मिथ, क्या ये मेरे जहन का एक फतूर है कि इफ आई वॉन्ट ऑफर प्रेयर्स देन आई विल बी हैविंग बैड डे, या फिर इट्स ट्रू. फिलॉसफी की नज़र से इस पे आई हैव टू थिंक क्रिटिकली कि अच्छा अगर मैंने आज सुबह दुआ नहीं की, मेरा दिन तो अच्छा गुजर गया है, या ये सिर्फ मेरे दिमाग में है कि अगर मैं दुआ नहीं करूंगी तो मेरा दिन अच्छा नहीं गुजरेगा. ये समटाइम्स इट हैपन्स कि आप दुआ करके भी जाओ तो आपका दिन अच्छा नहीं गुजरता. सो आई हैव टू थिंक अबाउट माई बिलीव्स एंड एक्शंस क्रिटिकली, और उसको फिलॉसफी को माइंड में रखते हुए कि ये चीज एप्लीकेबल है भी, इसमें कोई बात समझ आने वाली है, लॉजिकल है या नहीं है. सो दे आर सेइंग हर किसी की, everyone is having a philosophy, but philosophy itself, doing philosophy means it will tell you whether your belief is true or false. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we move?
Ma'am, both
Yes,
are.
ma'am.
Yes,
Beta,
ma'am.
I'm not asking for your suggestion. We just started our lecture, so we have to finish it. Okay. Why study philosophy? Who will read this slide?
Philosophy
Mohammed Ali,
helps
other than Mohammed
penetrate.
Ali. Umar, maybe you should read
Okay, ma'am.
somebody else.
Philosophy helps penetrate the surface of life to comfort deeper questions. Philosophy helps students explore, reflect, and think critically to enrich their lives. Help answer the questions what it is all about.
Gee, why to study philosophy? I asked this question in the beginning of this session, and you told us that, ma'am, because it was included in our semester, or maybe we want to know about the logic behind the things. So they are saying basically it will help to confront, it will help students to confront deeper questions. वो questions जो, एक तो questions होते हैं normal questions, some questions are deeper questions where you have to critically think about the things. Then philosophy helps students to explore. Every day, all the students, you people are students, you are exploring new things. If we'll talk about one subject, in each subject you are moving towards the next level. पहले आपको easier चीजें पढ़ाई जाती हैं, then we'll go in depth and deeper and deeper and deeper. For instance, you all are business students. In the first semester, you just read about the basics of business. Then you'll in the second semester, you went a bit, in depth. Okay, what is business, right? Then in the 7th or 8th semester, you will be having whole idea that how business started, how gradually you can take your business to the next level. So basically you are exploring things, you are reflecting, you are thinking about those things, and then you are gradually enriching your lives. Apni lives mein, if you'll talk about school days, you were a different person when you were in school. Now you are in a university, you are totally a different person. Your personality is grooming day by day because you are thinking about the things in a reflective manner. And then critically, after critical thinking, I'm sure when you'll go to your professional life, you would be a totally different person. So philosophy would help you to enrich your life. And then it will help you to answer questions. That's better human nature कि हमारे जहन में सवाल आते रहते हैं, हर वक्त हम सवालों का शिकार रहते हैं. If we're sitting alone, we have questions in our mind. If we'll talk about a child who's 3 or 4 years old, आपने देखा होगा, you have been observing that those children, they used to ask a lot of questions. ये खिलौना है, अच्छा, why this is a toy, okay, who made it, ये टूट गया, how to fix it, right? They have question for every single thing. Right? If you're crying, they'll ask you why you are crying. आप उनको बताओगे कि because I'm sad. Why you are sad? Because something bad has happened. what bad has happened, right? So they have questions, a lot of questions in their minds. So same goes for all the adults. We're having different questions in our mind, and when we find answers to that questions, that's how philosophy would help us. That's why it's important for us to study philosophy. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now again, why study philosophy? Philosophers, they said critical thinking. For critical thinking, if you want to be a critical thinker, you want to, enrich your lives, you need to, move forward. You should know answers of deeper questions. So how philosophy would help you? It will help you to enhance your critical thinking, your writing skills and your speaking skills. आप एक बात सुने कि एक कौन ज़हन आदमी जो है उसको आप कितना भी बता दें that your idea behind this thing is wrong, वो फिर भी आपसे बहस करता जाएगा. He's not having that ability to critically think about the things. And आप क्या करोगे eventually if you are having that if you have read philosophy, if you have studied philosophy, so goes without saying, you would understand, you are wise enough, you would understand that okay, there's no reason telling him that he's doing a wrong thing. You leave him, आप उसे उसके हाल पे छोड़ दोगे. Right? We have few people in our lives जिनको ये पता होता है that they are doing wrong. आप उन्हें बताते हो, but they won't listen to you. They'll be imposing whatever they have thought in their mind. जी मेरा idea is right. Philosophy will basically help you कि आप अपने दिमाग को खोलें. You would be more open with the things. You'll be taking ideas of the people. You'll be changing yourself as per their ideas. थोड़ा आप खुद observe करोगे. Then you'll be observing people, and then gradually you'll be a different person. Then it will help you it will help you. एक दकियानूसी सोच होती है, स्टेरियोटाइप्स होते हैं. हम कहते हैं जी इफ काली बिल्ली ने रास्ता काट दिया है तो मेरा दिन बुरा गुजरेगा. सो इट विल हेल्प यू टू think critically. By that cat, God has made that cat. She doesn't know that she's black. अगर वो black है भी, maybe she's going somewhere. उसने रास्ते में से गुजरना है. सबके लिए वो गुजरने की जगह. तो that's why she's also crossing her. She's also going somewhere. So हम सोच लेते नहीं काली बिल्ली ने रास्ता काट लिया, अब कुछ बुरा होगा. And in cause we think that जैसे हम सोचते हैं वैसे ही हमारे एक्शंस होते हैं. सो वी थॉट इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द डे, ओके जी काली बिल्ली ने रास्ता काट दिया, मेरा दिन बुरा गुजरेगा. सो यू विल बी डूइंग थिंग्स इन हैसल और गोज विदाउट सेइंग. आपका दिन, जब आपने सोच लिया दिन बुरा गुजरेगा, सो यू विल बी व्हाटएवर यू विल थिंक, यू विल बी गेटिंग दैट. सो इट विल हेल्प यू to think out of the box open-mindedly. Then understanding society, whatever is happening in the society, there is a reason behind that. फॉर इंस्टेंस हम कहते हैं कि आजकल जो है ना रॉबरी बहुत ज्यादा हो रही है. लोग, वाई? लॉकडाउन है, पीपल दे आर डाइंग कॉज ऑफ हंगर. सो we are blessed that we are sitting at home, we are having good food every day, but people, they are dying. Mostly people, they are dying because of hunger. That's why they are they are snatching things they need to fulfill their basic need, that is food. So you need to understand concepts related to the society, why there are certain norms or morals we have set in the society. जैसे हमारी society में one thing we find it a blessing that हमारे grandparents, they should live with us. हम बहुत बुरा मनाते हैं in abroad. If we'll talk about America or UK, वहाँ पे old homes and they'll leave their grandparents or old people in the old homes and they'll be enjoying their life. हमारे लिए that's against the norm of the society. And by the help of philosophy, we'll understand why it's a bad thing leaving your grandparents in the old homes, because when we were young, they helped us, they earn money for us, and then now they need us and we'll leave them. So that's why we can understand deeper things, and we can understand things that whether they are related to philosophy and philosophy would help us. इसीलिए हम philosophy पढ़ते हैं, so that we can understand deeper question. हाँ जी, why usually philosophy is taught in the college? Because college level तक आते आते बच्चे, they would be having that maturity in them, they would be having maturity, वो understand कर सकते हैं, they can understand difference between good and bad. राइट, ट्रू और फॉल्स. सो दैट्स वाई फिलोसफी कॉलेज या यूनिवर्सिटी से पहले स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं पढ़ाई जाती. दैट्स द रीजन. ओके, नाउ next is then philosophy would help you guard against propaganda. बहुत सारे लोग हैं, they will exaggerate things and in true meaning उस exaggeration के पीछे कुछ सच नहीं होता. So it will help you when you are a critical thinker. It will help you to understand what is true, what is exaggeration, what is against the norms, against the ethics. Then helps fulfilling our self-actualization needs. Okay, beta, there was a psychologist. His name was Abraham Maslow. He gave this, pyramid, and he said that every human being उनकी ये नीड्स हैं. सबसे नीचे इफ यूल सी ही गेव द फिलोसफिकल नीड्स जिसमें एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग नीड्स एयर, वाटर, फूड, शेल्टर, स्लीप, क्लोथिंग. देन ही सेड सेफ्टी नीड्स, जहां पे पर्सनल सिक्योरिटी हो, एम्प्लॉयमेंट हो, हेल्थ हो, प्रॉपर्टी हो. देन ही सेड एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग नीड्स लव एंड बिलोंगिंग. देन एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग नीड्स सेल्फ एस्टीम, सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, राइट. एंड लास्टली जब ह्यूमन बींग्स को सब कुछ मिल जाता है तो सबसे ऊपर वाला लेवल होता है सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन. दिस लेवल इज नोन एज डिजायर टू बिकम द मोस्ट दैट वन कैन बी. व्हेन यू विल गेट ऑल दीज थिंग्स, यू आर गेटिंग ऑल द फिजिकल needs, then you get safety from your elders or from your job, then you are having love and belongingness, then you're getting self esteem. Last step kya aata hai? Last step of your personality is self actualization, jahan pe you will actually understand what you want from your life, right? So philosophy would help you to understand that what you want, basically what your need in your life that makes you happy or that makes you a better person. Now let's discuss according to Maslow self actualization people have the following characteristics. जब आप self actualization के level पे आ जाते हो तो उनके बीच में ये points होते हैं. They are more open minded. Self actualized people are more open minded. They'll get your idea. अगर वो आपके idea से agree नहीं करेंगे, they won't fight with you. They'll say okay, that's your idea, but my idea about life is this. Then they would be having moral standards, that morally this thing is wrong, this thing is right. Then they will be having answers to the questions. जब भी आप उनकी बात को challenge करोगे तो they would be having counter arguments और satisfactory counter arguments कि आपने ये बात की तो अगर हम इसे इस way में सोचें, so your argument is not correct, my thing is correct. Then use reflective analysis. They can examine things in a thoughtful way, in a more proper way. Now Maslow's hierarchy last level is clear. Self-actualization.
Yes, ma'am.
Self-actualization is basically जहाँ पे human beings इस लेवल पे आ जाते हैं कि वो उन्हें पता चल जाता है what they want from their life और वो हर तरह से अपना potential use करते हैं ताकि वो जिंदगी में बेहतर से बेहतरीन की तरफ जा सके. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay. Now, philosophy is critical thinking. Since we have started this lecture, we are talking again and again. We are saying this thing again and again that philosophy is critical thinking. Up, who will read this slide? Other than Umar Rauf and Muhammad Ali, somebody else. Am I audible? Umar, start reading, beta.
Critical thinking is recognizing, analyzing, and criticizing argument. Recognizing argument, identifying premises and conclusion. Analyzing our argument, starting how the premises make the conclusion likely. Criticizing argument, identifying potentially false premises or weak connection between premises and conclusion.
Okay, first thing is सबसे पहले critical thinking में है recognizing. and recognizing means पहचानना, analyzing, examine or study, and then criticizing your arguments. For instance, इसको समझाएं. Premises means assumptions. जो आप assumptions बनाते हो about different, or arguments बनाते हो about different things, कि maybe this is the reason, maybe this is, that is assumption. ठीक है, that is premises. I'll be giving you a simple interesting example. सबसे पहले critical thinking में I saw a crow. ठीक है, I saw a crow and that recognizing argument, and I made an argument in my mind that okay, this is a crow and it's black. अब मैंने एक कौवा देखा है, वो black है. So I started thinking that okay, this crow is black, maybe all the crows जो दुनिया में है वो सब के सब black है. That's my, perception. That's my premises. मैंने assume कर लिया कि दुनिया में जितने भी कौवे हैं, they all are black, right? फिर I started analyzing the arguments. ये मेरा argument है कि मैंने एक कौवा देखा. I saw a crow. I thought that all the crows in the world, they are black, right? They are from the peak till the tail, they are black. Then analyzing arguments, I started taking arguments from other people. Somebody told me that no, there are few crows in the world that are completely black and their peak is that are completely white and their peak is black. Then somebody told me, then I started analyzing more and more. While analyzing, I was studying, I was reflecting on the arguments I made and the people made them, and I started realizing no, if one crow is black, that doesn't mean that all the crows in the universe, in the world, they are black. Then when I was studying, I started comparing my premises, my assumptions, and started making conclusion. When I made conclusion, I came to know that yes, people, I judge all the arguments of the people, my own argument, I study about those argument, and then I came to know no, that is wrong, that there is only one crow that is in black color. There are different species of crows and they are having different colors. So it's not necessary, some are gray, some are having white neck, rest of their body is black. So that is my conclusion. And it's not necessary that whatever assumptions you are making, whatever premises you are having in your mind, wo sari ki sari theek ho. And if you'll see the last, criticizing arguments, identify potential false premises or weak connection between premises and conclusion. सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया, critical thinking में हमने सोचा कि I saw a crow and I thought that all the crows in the world are black. फिर मैंने recognizing arguments. I started taking arguments or assumptions from other people and I started working on them. Right? Then I started analyzing the arguments. क्या analyze किया, examine किया. I started studying that all the assumptions I made and people made, whether they are right or wrong. Right? जब आप किसी चीज को study करते हो, analyze करते हो, examine करते हो, so you'll get to the main point. You started moving towards to the main point. Then premises make the conclusion likely. Then आप उन premises को, इन assumptions को देखते हुए you'll make your conclusion. Then criticizing arguments. When you are criticizing arguments, you'll find out that these arguments are incorrect. जैसे मेरा argument ये था कि एक कौवा मैंने black देखा है तो सारे ही black हैं. So आप क्या करोगे, आप उनको निकालना शुरू कर दोगे, eliminate करना शुरू कर दोगे जो आपके false assumptions हैं, और जो आपकी correct assumptions हैं उनका आप connection बनाना शुरू कर दोगे with your conclusion. So that's what critical thinking is, and that's how philosophy would help you to become a critical thinker. Now these are the skills a critical thinker is having. He'll be communicating. He would be having open-mindedness. He'll be thinking openly about, without any biases. He'll be thinking openly about the argument. Then problem solving. अगर प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि एक ही कौवा ब्लैक है और बाकी जरूरी नहीं कि सारी स्पीशीज ब्लैक है, तो इसका मतलब प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग है कि started more and more research, and after studying, after researching, he came to know that he is open-minded. Then he came to know that his premises, his assumption is wrong. Then creativity क्या है, he'll be creating new thing, he'll going towards a new thing, that is that he'll be having more knowledge about about particular thing, and then he'll be analyzing that whether whatever knowledge he has gained or whatever study he has done, whether it's nearby conclusion or not. So this is the picture. In this picture they have shown us different, types of crows, and not all of them are black, fully black, completely black. ठीक है? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I have given you simpler, बहुत आसान सी मैंने एक आपको एग्जाम्पल दी है, क्योंकि उसमें लिखा is kind of little tricky, so I am trying to make things more interesting. So I need your response whether the things are clear or not. Is it clear better?
Clear, ma'am.
Clear.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Recognizing arguments, हमने ये बात अभी we just read about how we can recognize arguments whether they are correct or not. So they have given indicators how we can conclude using these indicators. Thus, therefore, hence. Therefore, it is proof that, hence it is proof that all the crows are not black. They are having different colors or they are having different species. ठीक है? आपने, you can use these indicators before writing the conclusion. Simpler सी form में I'm telling you. Then premises indicator. Since one crow is black, that doesn't mean all the crows in the world are black. Right? So you can use these indicators while writing your arguments. Then analyzing arguments. How do the premises support the conclusion? अब बेटा जरूरी नहीं कि आपकी assumptions जो हैं they'll be supporting your conclusion. Whether your assumptions could be correct or they could be incorrect. For instance, I told you कि मैंने assume ये किया that all the crows in the world they are black, right? But when I was making conclusion, when I started analyzing all the arguments, I started analyzing all the study I have done personally, all the experience, all the feedback I have taken from the people, I came to know कि मैंने जो assume किया था that is incorrect. तो आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि जो आपने assume किया है वो हमेशा सही हो. जब आप किसी चीज के बारे में पढ़ते हो तो goes without saying you'll be having more knowledge about the things, and when you'll be having knowledge about the things you'll come to know that whether your assumption is correct or incorrect. And then they have given different ways to do this, but look for important logical operators. You have to understand that what arguments are logical and what are not that much logical. You have to eliminate illogical operators. For example, here you will be having only if all crows are black, that doesn't mean if one crow is black, that doesn't mean all the crows are black. So here you will be having then or if relationship, कि अगर ये होता तो ऐसा होता, या अगर ये है जरूरी नहीं कि ऐसा होगा. So analyzing arguments where you can use these words, but only if, then, necessarily, possibly, all, some, etc. Okay. Criticizing arguments. There are two ways to criticize your arguments. Find out false assumption. सबसे पहले आपने ये ढूंढना है कि इसमें से झूठ क्या है. जो illogical चीजें हैं, illogical assumptions हैं, उन्हें आपने delete करना है. Show that the conclusion does not follow from premises. That is, there are cases when premises are true and conclusion is false. जी, they are saying it's not necessary कि आपकी premises true हो तो आपका conclusion उससे मिलता जुलता हो, or it's not necessary that your premises are wrong and your conclusion is correct. Sometimes it happens कि आपने जो assume किया होता है वो ठीक होता है लेकिन आपका conclusion गलत निकलता है. जैसे कि हम कहते हैं कि all the people who are left-handed, for instance, Albert Einstein, he was left-handed. So we can say that all the people who are left-handed, they are intelligent. That's our premises, right? अब हमने इस पे सर्च करना शुरू की और हमने कहा that all the people, those who are left-handed, they are intelligent. ये हमारा conclusion में बात सही आ गई कि ठीक है, आपकी premises आपके conclusion को, आपका conclusion आपके premises को support करता है. जी, जितने भी left-handed लोग हैं, they are more intelligent than the right-handed people. But आपने एक ये भी premises भी दी है कि left-handed लोग, they cannot eat with their right hand. Maybe ये कंक्लूजन कहे कि नहीं, दे कैन इजीली ईट विद देयर राइट हैंड. सो बेसिकली हियर दे आर सेइंग कि जो कुछ आप एज्यूम कर रहे हैं जरूरी नहीं कि आपका कंक्लूजन उसी तरह का हो, कि आपकी अजम्पशन और कंक्लूजन सेम हो जाए. सेम हो सकती है, लेकिन कभी कभी कंक्लूजन डिफरेंट होता है और एजम्पशंस डिफरेंट होती है. कंक्लूजन आप इस बात पे ड्राइव करते हो जब आप उस चीज के बारे में स्टडी करते हो. सो स्टडी करके, एनालाइज करके, जरूरी नहीं कि आपकी assumptions और कंक्लूजन सेम हो, दे कुड बी डिफरेंट एज वेल. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
नाउ एनीथिंग यू वांट टू आस्क सो फार?
मैम हमारी प्रोडक्शन ऑपरेशन की क्लास है मैम अभी, तो
मैम,
टाइम
बहुत
Okay,
अच्छे
Beta,
थे।
I'm just winding it up. That's why I'm asking that anything you want to ask so far, you should ask so that I can wind it up. क्योंकि 2:30 तक you have class with me, right? So nothing is bugging you. Things are pretty clear.
पता लगना है.
I'm sorry, what? Things are clear?
मैं कह रहा हूँ मैम रिजल्ट का पता लगेगा हमें.
Okay. So what we'll do, we'll continue from here in the next class, and I'll make sure that would be an interactive session so that I can ask about your theories. So I'm gonna finish it here, analyzing, or we'll start from analyzing arguments. And so far we have read about philosophy, critical thinking, and how we can be, why we are studying philosophy. So everyone take care, and if you have, I need number of your, whoever is the CR, I need contact number of that particular person so that I can make group on WhatsApp and we can communicate there. I'll be sharing these slides as well as this video on Google Stream. Kindly CR, you just stay here and rest. You can leave for your next class. Thank you so much everyone. Take care. I hope
Thank you,
things are clear.
Allah Hafiz, ma'am.
लाभ
Okay, take care kids.
खुदा हाफिज मैम, खुदा हाफिज.